Being British, I'm a big hot tea drinker, and I use a Yeti to keep my tea warm as long as possible. However, the downside to that is I get tea stains all over the inside. Today, I'm going to show you how to get rid of those tea stains. I have a custom Yeti, and as I mentioned, my challenge is these tea stains inside. Really unsightly, probably not very healthy, but I'm going to show you how to get rid of these tea stains. Here are some of the products I'm going to use to help clean out my Yeti. Rubber gloves, Barkeepers Friend stainless steel cleaner, Scorch stainless steel scrubbing pads, and a microfiber towel just to protect the surface. First, put on rubber gloves. Barkeepers Friend is an abrasive and it will tear up your skin. Next, pour some Barkeepers Friend to cover the bottom of your Yeti. Next, you're going to want to add some water to the cup, just a small amount to moisten up the Barkeepers Friend. Flatten out the Scorch scrubbing pad, and then all you're going to do is rub it up and down the inside of the Yeti. So I use an up and down motion, go all the way around. What this is doing is it's taking off that initial layer of tea stains. And the abrasive that Barkeepers Friend is will help agitate those tea stains off. And what I can show you is straight away it's getting much cleaner already. So time to carry on. More Barkeepers Friend. A little bit more water. And here we go. I'm doing this all in one take, so you can see that there's no cheating, no switching of the Yeti. Just get down in there good. You can see it's coming clean. I didn't add water that time because there are slightly more stubborn stains at the bottom, and I'm just trying to get rid of those. There, perfect, pristine. Doesn't get much better than that. And here's the finished product. My Yeti, really clean, no stains anymore, ready for my next cup of tea. And done. So there you have it, a nice clean Yeti. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped.